Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys server error. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys server error app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then in this list of app info, you will enter the first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end of all the steps, then you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problems on Stumble Guys app. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.